Okay, you've got a great idea and you want to start a business? Stop. Do this instead. Okay, how many people out there have had a great idea? I've had great ideas before, and I know you have too. And for some reason, you're thinking that if you have a great idea for a product or service, that you have to start a business. That's what they're teaching everyone in school, and that's what you're hearing everywhere that you go. You start a business. And I'm here to tell you, and if you're watching this channel for any length, you're going to realize I'm not a big believer in starting a business. And I'll tell you the reason why. Number one, I'm an idea guy. And I want to come up with a lot of ideas, and I want to leverage the power of companies that are in business to bring my idea to you, to the store shelf, because they're good at that. They have distribution, they have the marketing, they have the manufacturing, they have the relationships, they have all those things that if I were to start a business, I don't have those things. And I don't have years to develop it. And I don't want to take the financial risk of raising money, writing a business plan, and hiring people, and hopefully my business works. And if it does work, guess what? The copycats are going to come out so quickly, and before you know it, you've got a whole nother fight on your hands. So during this video, I'm talking about, hey, you have a great idea. Do you have to start a business? No. What I want you to do is keep watching these videos and realize that product licensing, meaning you're going to rent your idea to a company, and they're going to take it to market for you because they already have the shelf space. And every one they sell, they're going to pay you a royalty. Now, I've heard from a lot of you that, Steve, come on, the royalty thing, I can make more money if I start my own business. Well, okay, well, let's talk about that. Yes and no. Because when you're first starting out, you have to raise all this money. There is some risk involved, of course. And once you start to sell it, what is your profit margin going to be? At the end of the day, after you pay your employees, pay the lights, the manufacturing, the packaging, and shipping, and Amazon, you do all this work, what is your net profit at the end of the day? And I'm going to guess it's probably around 30%. That's pretty good. It could be a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Okay, not bad. But look at all the work you're doing for that, and look at your limited distribution because you're doing it yourself. All right, let's look at the other equation now. You license or rent your idea to a company that's already got the shelf space, that's already got thousands of accounts, that's already got a sales team, and they can quickly bring your product to market, and they're giving you 5%. Wow, 5%, and they're probably making 30%, and they're doing all the work, and I don't have to do anything? Come on, you guys, see the difference there? I'm a firm believer in leveraging the power of companies to do what they do well. And what they don't do well is come up with ideas. That's where I want to play. And I want to submit my ideas to a lot of companies, and I want those companies to work for me. So if you want to start a business, that's fantastic if you have an idea. Yes, and I'll give you the best advice if you want to, because I've done it myself. Make sure you find a partner that's already done it. There you go. Find someone out there that's already brought products to market, that's run a business, and still has a big smile on their face. Right? Because you don't have to learn all that stuff yourself. You can partner with someone that's already done it. You'll get there faster, and your chances of success will be so much better. Okay. So I'm a big product licensing guy. I love it. And if you're watching this channel, you're going to see all these people that we've coached, we've mentored, that we know that have licensed product ideas. And I'll tell you, it's a great business model for us creative people that maybe don't have experience in manufacturing, sales, marketing. Maybe we just don't have the time. Maybe we have a part-time job. Maybe we want to do this on the side. Maybe we want to come up with a lot of ideas. So please think about product licensing. It's been around for over 200 years. Keep on watching these videos. I'm going to talk a lot about product licensing. There's over 1,000 videos that we talk about this wonderful opportunity that no one's really sharing with you, but we're going to give you all the secrets here at inventRightTV. So thanks for watching.